In a significant legal victory, former President Donald Trump was found liable for fraud by a New York judge. The case, brought forward by New York Attorney General Letitia James, revealed a pattern of deception that spanned years. Trump, along with his company, the Trump Organization, was ordered to pay a hefty $25 million penalty. At the heart of the case was the accusation that Trump inflated the value of his assets. This tactic, the court found, was employed to secure loans and insurance policies on more favorable terms. The judge's ruling sends a clear message. Even powerful individuals are not above the law and will be held accountable for fraudulent actions. This case has garnered significant public attention, sparking debates about corporate responsibility and the rule of law. The outcome is seen as a victory for accountability, demonstrating that justice can prevail even in the face of wealth and influence. This landmark ruling serves as a stark reminder that financial fraud has serious consequences. The mechanics of Trump's fraud were bold and brazen. Trump and his associates presented a distorted picture of his financial standing, artificially inflating the value of his golf courses, hotels, and other properties. This inflated valuation was then used to paint a rosy picture of his financial health to lenders and insurers. For instance, Trump's golf course in Scotland, Trump International Golf Links, was valued far above its market worth. Similarly, his flagship building in New York, Trump Tower, was also subject to inflated valuations. These misrepresentations were not mere oversights. They were deliberate attempts to mislead financial institutions for personal gain. This elaborate scheme, as the court found, was designed to deceive and defraud. The evidence presented during the trial painted a clear picture of a calculated effort to manipulate financial records and mislead investors and lenders. This case serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of unchecked financial maneuvering and the importance of transparency in business. While the $25 million penalty is significant, the implications of this case extend far beyond the dollar amount. Trump's actions erode public trust in institutions and undermine the integrity of the financial system. When powerful individuals engage in such blatant fraud, it creates an uneven playing field for honest businesses and individuals. Furthermore, this case highlights the urgent need for stronger regulations and oversight in the financial industry. The fact that such a scheme could operate for years raises serious questions about existing safeguards. The New York Attorney General's successful prosecution is a step in the right direction, but more needs to be done to prevent similar cases in the future. The fallout from this case will likely have a ripple effect on future business dealings, particularly in real estate and finance. Lenders and investors are likely to be more cautious, scrutinizing valuations and financial records more closely. This increased scrutiny could make it more difficult for businesses, especially smaller ones, to secure funding. Section 4. Safeguarding your financial future. Lessons for consumers. This case offers valuable lessons for consumers on protecting themselves from financial fraud. Vigilance is key. When dealing with financial institutions or making investments, thoroughly research the company or individual involved. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification on any aspect of the deal that seems unclear or too good to be true. Secondly, always review financial documents carefully. Whether it's a loan agreement, an insurance policy, or an investment prospectus, understanding the fine print is crucial. If something seems amiss, don't hesitate to seek professional advice from a financial advisor or attorney. Finally, remember that if an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of high-pressure sales tactics or promises of unrealistic returns. Trust your instincts and walk away from any deal that raises red flags. By staying informed, asking questions, and being cautious, you can protect yourself and your finances from potential fraud. Section 5. Stay informed, stay vigilant. The fight against financial fraud is an ongoing one. As we've seen in the Trump case, even the most powerful individuals can be brought to justice. However, preventing such cases requires a collective effort. Stay informed about common financial scams and red flags. Report any suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities. Remember, knowledge is power. By arming yourself with information and staying vigilant, you can play a role in protecting yourself and others from becoming victims of financial fraud. And as always, stay tuned for more updates on this and other important stories. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis and investigative reporting. will continue to hold the powerful accountable and provide you with the information you need to navigate today's complex world.